Hi, my name is Armeca Ezell, and I'm here to show you an exclusive look at our new listing on 6300 Arthur Street in Merrillville, Indiana. We have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We also have a partial basement, and guess what? It sits on a half an acre. Oh, you're going to be very surprised with this property. Come on and take a look with me. Hi, that's it. I am Armeca Ezell, your broker in Northwest Indiana, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you are open and you're ready to buy in this market and you like this home, please contact me at armecaezell.com. I would love to work with you. Again, this is Northwest Indiana Home Buying Made Easy.